political favour of the day, the Aam Aadmi Party is set to make a determined bid for a foothold in Goa's political arena. At a press conference in Panjim, addressed by the AAP's latest entrants, Goa's pop icon Remo Fernandes and social activist Dr. Oscar Rebelo, the party announced the launch of its membership drive on Sunday. The AAP membership drive will commence with the opening of its North Goa office at Souza Towers in Panjim on Sunday morning. In the evening, the party will throw its doors open at the office located in Gogal Margao in South Goa. Terming Aam Aadmi Party as a beacon of hope, Remo said it is the party which gives the people a say in the governance perpetually. Other parties do it only on election day and then dictate terms for the next 5 years, the pop star said.
For the first time in my lifetime, there is a movement which is worth joining. And I say that they have become a political party by force because they have tried also from the outside, again for years and years. They've tried fasting, they've tried begging, they've tried cajoling, they've tried convincing. None of that works. To the people directly, not only at the center, at the state, in the village, everywhere. Today even a sarpanch is king, yaar. You have to beg a sarpanch, if not bribe, you have to beg him for you to get your own birthright. Whether it is to build something legal, whether to do anything, you have to beg your sarpanch. He sits there like a lord because you cannot touch him. And that is what AAP is trying to change, and I'm all for it, all for it.
73rd and 74th Amendment Constitution already केल्लो आसा आणि हो प्रोजेक्ट घेवन अरविंद केजरीवाल खूब पयलींच्यान वता, 10 वर्सां पयलींच्यान वता. ह्या हातूंतल्यान अशें जातलें की लोक डिसायड करतले की हे 4000 कोटी रुपया आपल्याल्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक कशें मोडपाचे, आपल्याल्या पंचायतीक कशें मोडपाचे. हो एक सगळ्यांच्यान मोठो इशू आसा, जातूंतल्यान लोकांक आपल्याल्या पंचायती भितर किंवा आपल्याल्या म्युनिसिपालिटीक कितें लोकल जी कामां आसात ती करपाची, प्रायोरिटी फिक्स करपाचे आनी तो मोडपाची तांकां ऑटोनॉमी मेळटली. थँक्यू.
This and for the for that. This is the time to gift it for that. Corrupt politicians have become too fat. Kick them out, don't allow them to back.
Remo is no stranger to Goa's political environment. Through his lyrics and talent in music, he was very much on centre stage of Goa's socio-political movements of the past, be it in the language and statehood agitations in the 1990s or the more recent anti-corruption and pro-environment movement of the Goa Bachao Abhiyan. He was appointed as Voter Awareness Ambassador by Election Commission of India for the 2012 Goa Assembly elections. As for contesting elections, Remo said he had no plans or intentions to contest as of now, but did not rule out it completely, saying he will consider taking a decision when the election comes up.
तुमकां असली शक्ती आयल्या ती शक्ती कशाच भाशेन केन्नाच विकू नाका आणि कशाच भाशेन शेणोय नाका.
Dr. Oscar Rebelo, who rode the wave of the popular sentiment at the top of the Goa Bachao Abhiyan agitation against the 2011 regional plan, said it is time now to make a difference in Goa. We must all join hands to wage a war and change politics in Goa and India, he said. A reputed private medical practitioner in Panjim, Dr. Oscar has been in the public spotlight for close to 2 decades. In the 1990s, he was in the forefront of agitations launched by the Resident Doctors Association protesting the shortcomings in the public services at the GMC. His engagement with public life grew stronger when he became the governor of the Goa Bachao Abhiyan in 2006 and led a movement that jolted the political establishment and forced the government to reverse the cabinet approval to the environmentally damaging regional plan 2011.